Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Happy for you guys to be back, and happy to finally be back to doing a video. We're out here at Tampa, Mex today. It's Memorial Day, and we're out here gonna get back to it. I've only ridden one time since you guys have seen me last, or twice since you guys have seen me last. Both were at Spider, and they were interesting days, all I'm gonna say. Got the bike right behind the camera here, and got new graphics on it, and so I'll put that here coming up next, and I'm gonna go get ready. But I'm gonna show you guys a little bit here of why I've taken the past few months off, what I've been up to, filming the Dirtbike Depot racing crew, the past Supercross rounds. So I hope you guys enjoy it and just see what I've been up to. So here you go.
Beautiful right now.
How we feel?
Dallas Supercross, baby.
Finished up the first and second moto. Kind of just went off the first one and just rode around. Hit the big back jump, which I'm not sure if you have any clips for it yet, but I don't know if I'm gonna hit it again. I pace it every time, and I'm like third pin and seat bouncing, so it's pretty big. Even some of these faster guys are kind of like right on top of it. Gonna head out now for the third practice, and yeah, I'm just happy to be back riding and having some fun. So let's get back out there.
Well guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I know it's a little bit shorter of a video, but yeah, we're finally just getting back into riding. So I do appreciate you guys tuning back in for the first time in a while, and hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thanks to Jack again here at Tampa for having the track all nice and everything, and especially on Memorial Day, I appreciate him opening it and just letting us come out and ride. It was a great day. Caught it early after 3 rides. The hands are getting blistered, and I really don't want to have blistered hands this week for work. But other than that, I enjoyed it. Happy to just get back to riding, and we'll hopefully do some more videos again soon. I do have some graduation parties coming up, so maybe another couple of weeks before we do another video. But if you are bored, go check out the Dirtbike Depot channel, which I'll link down below, and throw that on the screen here too, and go watch some of our Supercross vlogs. Had a blast, and was just an amazing opportunity, and looking forward to next season. I will be ending the video here, and again, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, don't forget to always Brap on. See ya.